Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to disable active status on Facebook. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments and I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we go to Facebook. Next here, we have Home, Friends, Videos. We click in the bottom right corner of the menu. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. We scroll down to the bottom, and we find a tab called Active Status. And in order to turn it off, we need to uncheck that box. Click Turn Off. Turning it off. After you want to turn it back on, you go back to Settings and Privacy, Active Status, and activate it. That's a simple way to turn it off. Let me know if my solution helped you and if it worked for you. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Goodbye.